Hi. Good morning to everyone, and nice to see you again from yesterday's session. Today I'm going to present few of our intricate designs, intricate facades, which we are carrying out in India. Basically, these are our team work, which works onto the sites as well as our factory, with forming all sort of safety rules and regulations, which is most needed over there. It's in a Geo World Center in Mumbai. It's called place called BKC, where we had screens, the lighted screens, which are there right from the first floor to 7th floor. Yeah, thank you. First floor to 7th floor, where it has got only the 6 screens, width of around 5 meters width, and the height is around 28 meters, 28 to 30 meters, different sizes, which has got the inner coves to get the lighting inside over there. So get that done into the molds. It was very tricky and very expensive. So to avoid that one, the mold sizes, these are the details over there, wherein all these are different shapes. If you see it over there, these designs are going the other way around, left side and the right side. So only for the 6 total numbers, we had to prepare somewhat around 2 full molds over there to replica that, and which is very expensive. The area was not that much. These are the detail fixing. These are all done onto the stud framing work on the top, as well as for the provision was LED connections through all the designs part over there. These are keeping around 1 meter away from the wall, the back wall over there. These are the molds, what we have prepared, the lighting, what you have seen it over there. These are all the LED lights are getting into that. And this is around 26 meter length and around 5 meter width is over there. If you can see that proportion onto the person is standing there. This is the ultimate work has been done. These are LED has been provided inside the codes over there. The individual codes are there. You can't see the connecting lightings between the 2 lines over there. And these are the size of your designs. This will be around daylight over there, details. So like that, these are only all the 4 elevations. There are only 6 screens are there, these shapes over there. The second one, we had done the Dehradun International Airport. That is the phase 1 we have completed over there. It's in Uttarakhand over there. Very prestigious project for the Mr. Modi over there. It has got around 30 meters height of columns, which is flaring from the top. It's in octagonal shapes over there. And it is getting flare, having a lot of openings for the LED lights again. And this lighting, these are the mold, what we had done it in the part mode of that, where this has got an 8 repetition. There are around 14 columns were there inside. These are all the internal columns of there. These are the final photos of this finished work over there. The top capitals are illuminated with the LEDs over there, as well as the bottom. The base was also illuminated over there. So all the hidden lightings has been done over there. These are the GRCA coated with the metallic colors. I think yesterday we were talking about a metallic finish over there. These are local language. Some prayers has been written. They call it as a prayer hall, prayer columns over there. And this has got coated with the golden brownish colors over there. There is another project, it is ongoing at Hyderabad, it's for the clubhouse. It's a 3D elevations, and which is very intricate over there. Very difficult to get the molds done it over there. The work is going on. These are the drawings, what has been prepared. If you see these models, which are narrowing over there, as of the flow goes, and increasing when it goes down, as well as it is turning on the top as well as the bottom with a curved shape. These are the basic patterns. It has been done it over, but this is one type of pattern. There were around 1,300 patterns are there like that, at the different shapes. And these are supported with the structural framework inside, which is concealed. These are the ongoing projects what we are doing it over there. The screen is moving like that, and it is turning inside, where it is going to the ceiling also, ceiling part. This is a very challenging work for the designing part, because the architect was, the consultant was a bit fussy about the wind pressure, seismic, and the strength of that. Because when it's going to the ceiling part, a lot of, apart from these two, there is a gravitational force also acting over there. So considering that, the design was done on STAD model. This is the detailing what you see it into the joint line over there. Again, the corners, other two corners elevations are there. One more, this elevation we did it at Pune, near Mumbai over there, where the architect was from the UK, not UK, it's a USA, and he had an idea of going as a creepers elevation onto all the three sides of that building. They had checked everywhere, but the cost was good, getting a lot of, it was going out of budget. So then when he approached us, we have models in such a way that there was of course, repetition was not that much, but there were nominal repetitions were there, where we have adjust the designs so that it becomes in their budget and all. This way we have done all the shop drawings. Again, if you see, there is a backside, there is a boxing is there. What you see here is a boxing, and this boxing, it has been supported from the floor to floor height. If you can see that in between, and there is a backing of the GRC from individual branch over there, so that you don't see any steel support from the back. This is the elevation, facade elevation, where it is branching from the floor to floor. It's like in a balconies area over there. So the person was also a bit concerned about the strength part of that, because it's an open balcony, though they have got the glazing part over there. Still, he was a bit not comfortable whether how it will sustain. So we had done the impact test onto the site after the installation, which is as per the door testing method, is around 15 kg and 30 kg at a distance of 1 meter and 1.5 meter, and from the ground it was around 1 and 1.2 meter height. So that way we had done the testing at few balconies over there, and we just got passed out over there. This is that elevation, or if you can see here, you can see the fins, which are the branches are spanning between this one, balcony's open area. Now one project which is ongoing over there, which is the data center at Chennai, where the architect has got the concept of going the parametric facade, where you can see the facade with the blank patterns over there. And it is moving in certain pattern over there. There is another, this building is, there are generator stations over there, and this is actually the data center over there. If you see these patterns, which is going like from front elevation to the side elevation with certain flow over there. This is how we have done the drawings and the fixing details over there. There are a lot of numbering hangs to be done it over there, considering the location of the particular fins, the branches over there, so that it should not be mismatched over there. These are the elevations, the individual one. We had numbered a certain similar type of patterns over there. And then according to that, the location has been provided at certain places to create that flow of this GRC. These are the molds which we have done it on the site. We had a mini plant at Chennai, so that the work can be done faster over there, because it has to be completed into the 3 months' time. We started in February. So this, I think, June mid, we should be able to complete that one. This photo has been taken one month back while I was preparing the presentation. Now this elevation has been done over there. This part and the window parts, and they have kept it open, but now it has been closed over there. This all the elevations, and it looks really, architect was very happy about the concept, what he thought of that. These are the few, these are all, it's very, first of all, the difficulty over here was how to place it. So we have kept 2-3 bigger drawings, numbering each and every elements over there. And all the elements which are coming from this factory, it was numbered on the back side. So everything has to sort it out, and then it has to go along with the drawings and the flow over there. So it's really hats off to my team over there on site, who has really done a great job. Yeah. Other miscellaneous projects, what we have done there are small projects, but still critical parts over there. There was a bungalow, a huge bungalow at Pune, where the owner wanted to have this sort of parametric elevation onto the entire balconies over there. And it has got all the GRC. He doesn't want into the concrete, because concrete is very difficult to do it over there. So with doing the designing part, structural part, and giving them all the STAT format calculation, this was structure we have designed it. And again, we had tested this to satisfy the owners, to see that impact testing, what we have done it over there on site. So these are this structure over there. Everything is on, these are the support reactors, got all I sections and the C channels over there, which is ranging. Somewhere on the top you see, these are hanging cantilever, without having any end support. These are total cantilevers, some of the places over there. Even this one also, it is hanging out there. Balcony, there is cantilever balcony, but this bottom is hanging over there. The one more domes what we had done at Bangalore, Prestige Group over there. So these are all the screen domes over there with the sitting arrangement on the bottom, which was around 3 meters on the side width over there. These are these domes over there. So this has been done in one piece, having individually boxed 6 inch over there and fixing it with the both sides finish. So these are screwed down, and again, all the things are welded at our factory. We done entire this mold at our factory, then lifted. Each truck, we have called the trailers to shift it to the Bangalore site over there. So it was lifted by the crane, from the factory and then again lifted and we kept it on the place. So this dome, it has got a lighting inside, all the ribs. Okay. These are the night views over there. So this what you see over there, lights over there on the bottoms over there. I think last year we got appreciated by this entrepreneur of award over there. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this.